Annie. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I do junk journals. This is a junk journal planner using things that I have in my junk journals as well. I do some ephemera pieces and things like that. Do a lot of Dollar Tree stickers. I like to try to do as much of my own, like hand designs. But basically it's just to show that you can make a planner and junk journal out of pretty much anything. And these are the colors. I'm also using a black Jelly Roll pen for outlining and writing. And I'm going to be using just some Dollar Tree stickers. They have some cool colors in them. And I know right off the bat I want this one to go up here. Because, well, okay, it may go over here, because I just think that's so cool, and it's got to be on there. Writing and the doodling is the big thing. I do a lot of that thing, really, for journaling. It's more your writing that matters anyway. All the embellishments that you put on it are just to, it should be your personal feelings. You know, if the sticker means something to you, then use the sticker. If the book means something to you that you're altering, or the composition book means, you know, was something that was one of your kids or whatever, and you want to leave in some of their writing, my goodness, do it. You know, if you have photographs you want to put in, you can actually print stuff up pretty cheaply and just from your computer. No, let's go back on. Let's see where it went. Ooh, that's cool. I like that. Why didn't I think of that sooner? So, have a great week. Take it easy on yourself. And that's it for this week. Have a great week. Thanks for watching.